Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Curtis and this is the Trading with J channel, where we track my progress as an algorithmic trader and see how I move forward designing new robots and putting it on the market to see if we can make some profit. So in this video, I wanted to show you how I got the 75 rating for Darwinex in order to get the 25k seed capital. So at the moment, not in my office anymore. I'm in the Philippines trading. I'm just in my hotel, just relaxing on the bed. I said I'll just do this quick video to update you guys where we at. So if we check the email, I got this on January 9th, 2024, and this is basically after the trading phase. So the account was started on the 24th of December 2023. Then we had Christmas, and then I think the first trade actually started on the 26th, if I believe. So on the 9th, the training stage was completed, and I had to wait now for them to create my Darwin. Now, in order to create Darwin, they said that the market needs to close over the weekend, and then the Darwin could be created, and then you would get to the next trading day, which was the 15th. So if you see here, the Darwin will be created automatically on the 15th of January 2024. So I actually started trading my Darwin actively on the 15th, right? So I'll show you the next email that we got. So this is the next email, and this came in on the 18th of January 2024. So basically 3 days after the Darwin was created. And you can see, congratulations, Shasha Technology. Now, for most of my trading and other things, like even on my YouTube channel, you would see Shasha Technology, and that is one of my businesses that I created. So that is where the name comes in, right? And you can see here that we hit a rating of 75.13 and we got the 25k allocation, so 3 days. And I could show you on my FX book what that was. So I just refresh. So you can see this is using the Helios robot. If you check one of my older videos, I briefly spoke about the Helios robot. This was something that I built the middle of December. So I didn't really do a video on it really that covers exactly how it trades, but is like a high-speed scalping robot that once the market moves, it trades. It doesn't perform like how the IBS Hunter looks for a specific setup and it may trade once or twice a month. If we look here, you can see the Helios took 410 trades, right? So it does trade quite a bit. But yeah, so at the moment we are at 14.58% and we have a drawdown of a little less than 5%, right? So this is the Darwinex account itself. Now, if we head across to Darwinex and I will refresh the page here. So this is the actual Darwin that I will be trading, the UREO. So that is the ticker symbol, I guess, for the Darwin. And after the risk engine does the calculation and it does whatever background process it goes through, I guess they reduce the lot sizing and so on. You can see here the return was 4.72 and the drawdown was 1.60, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. This is the performance, and you could see my quote is currently 104.71, which is, I guess this is how they rate the value of your Darwin. I'm in position 470, and at the moment I have a rating of 26.13. So I mean, I still trading. I know I've seen videos where a lot of people, once they get the allocation, once they hit 75, they stop trading with hopes that they don't want to go back down. But I believe if you have faith in your system, you have no reason to stop. Just keep trading as usual. There's no reason to stop. So I didn't stop. The bot is still running. So we are 76.13. Now, this is the only thing that I'm not sure about. I don't know if we need to wait for the market to close in order for the allocation to show up here. But if we go across to Darwin IA and I click on my Darwin, you can see that the 25k allocation for 3 months is here. So I am guessing that I just need to wait for the 25 to populate in this area. I don't know if it would populate over the weekend or if it would be at the end of the month or what. But yeah, this is where we are at the moment. Yeah, so this is how I hit it in 3 days. Probably another day I would go into the bot itself. There's still a lot of code that I need to write to update it for the way that I want. But at the moment it works. It works pretty okay. It does what I needed to do. So if you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment box below, and like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to how this progress is moving forward. There is another video I will do because I'm also taking a challenge and I am copying it here on the copier, but we'll do that in another video. So yeah guys, that is it for now. I'll keep you updated on the progress of the Darwin and see where we could go from there, if we could hit probably 100k or more while in silver. And yeah, so that is it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.